Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. Microsoft has just released the Power BI April 2026 feature summary, and this month brings some interesting updates across Copilot, reporting experience, modeling capabilities, and visuals. In this video, I will walk you through everything important, and more importantly, I will explain what matters for your real world Power BI development. Let's get started. This April update continues Microsoft's focus on these major areas: AI and Copilot expansion, better report authoring experience, more powerful modeling capabilities, and improved visuals and UX consistency. You will notice a clear trend. Power BI is moving from just a reporting tool to a fully AI assisted analytics platform inside Microsoft Fabric. Let's discuss first about Copilot and AI enhancements. This month, Copilot becomes even more useful, especially on mobile and report interaction. Copilot in Power BI Mobile gets conversational chat. You can now ask follow-up questions directly inside reports. It behaves like a real AI assistant for analysis. Smarter contextual understanding. Copilot now understands report context better. It can guide you through insights instead of just summarizing. Improved narrative and visual generation. Better storytelling capabilities directly from data. Copilot is no longer just a summary tool, it is evolving into a data analysis assistant inside Power BI itself. Now let's move to the reporting improvements. And this is where most developers will notice changes immediately. Modern visuals default and theme improvements. This is a preview feature. Now you will get new base theme switcher. Let me show you. I'm in Power BI desktop. If I come to view and then if I click on this themes drop down, if I click on customize current theme, here you will get base themes. Let me move to the blog post again. Easier switching between modern and classic layouts. Fixed size layout for visuals. Card, button slicers, and list slicer now support fixed pixel layouts. This gives precise control over UI design. Improved card visual behavior. Better category selection experience. Improved interaction feedback when selecting visuals. So here you can see I have created a new card visual, and if I enable format, then here in multi-card layout you will get option to set fixed size. Even here you can set the height as well. Also you can switch off fixed size as per your requirement. Similarly, if I come here and in this button slicer, here also in multi-button layout we have similar option. So we can fix the size, or we can set it as no, and it will auto fit the window based on the required columns and selection. Preview visual identification. Visuals in preview mode are now clearly labeled. It helps avoid confusion between GA and experimental features. Here you can see a simple segregation between general availability visuals and the preview visuals. Also, this month we have better canvas sizing options. So if I come to the report, and from here if we come to canvas setting, here you can select the type, and then below you can select size. So from here you can select different size, and based on your requirement you have multiple options available here. Even in type, if I come to tooltip, in tooltip also, in size section you will find various options, and even if you want you can customize it based on your requirements. You now have more control over report design, consistency, and user experience, especially for enterprise dashboards. Now we will move to modeling enhancements. Let me go to the blog post again. This is where things get very interesting for data modelers. Direct link, calculated columns and tables. This is a new preview features introduced by Power BI this month. You can now create calculated columns directly in direct link models. This improves flexibility for fabric-based models. User context, ever calculated columns. This is also a preview feature. DAX can now respond dynamically to user context more intelligently. DAX enhancements for modeling. Better support for advanced modeling scenarios, more alignment with enterprise semantic modeling patterns. Power BI is slowly closing the gap between import models and direct link flexibility, especially for Fabric users. Now let's talk about visuals. Scatter chart improvements, better marker control and layout behavior. Azure Map enhancements, improved map rendering and performance. Your dashboard will now look more consistent, faster, and more polished across devices. Let me quickly summarize the April 2026 update. Copilot is becoming a real AI analyst inside Power BI. Reporting experience is more customizable and precise. Direct link is gaining more flexibility. Visuals are becoming more consistent and performance optimized. Power BI is moving deeper into Microsoft Fabric ecosystem. Power BI is evolving from a BI tool to a fully AI powered analytics platform. Comment below which features you found most interesting for this month. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.